Does this sound like you? You want to live forever. Okay, maybe not forever, but you do want to live a long and healthy life. In a perfect world, you would flourish at every age with a youthful energy, happiness, and mobility throughout all your years. But there's a problem. You've started to struggle with your health after challenging life events. Or maybe, like many of us, you've struggled with your health or your weight for your entire life. Your to do list comes before self care. Maybe you sleep too few hours, eat the wrong foods, don't exercise enough, are stressed and inflamed or in pain. You're concerned that your lifestyle is aging you and you don't know how to change course. Your life lacks balance, putting your health and your relationships at risk. What's worse is it seems like chronic disease is inevitable. There are so many obstacles to better health: work demands, toxicity in the environment, misinformation in the media. The problem, though, is lack of energy. Without enough energy, our brains don't work properly either. We're anxious or depressed, and our memory, attention, and cognition suffers. We ask ourselves, can I achieve health and well being in a world where it feels like everything is stacked against me? You can, and I'm here to help you. You see, I understand this struggle, having paid for the pursuit of my goals with years of stress, imbalance, and burnout. My breakthrough came with the discovery that my stress wasn't something that was happening to me, but was actually a result of lack of self care. I started studying the science of lifestyle medicine, and the new habits I created led to dramatic improvements in my performance and well being. People would ask me for my secrets, which made me think, what if everyone had the tools and knowledge to achieve better health? How many more people would meet their full potential? I was fortunate to teach this material for 3 years at Stanford University before turning it into an online course aptly named Your Healthspan Journey. I'll teach you how to generate more energy, improve your sleep, master your sources of stress, understand your blood sugar, eat for a healthy metabolism, learn to fast if you want, have better posture, reduce your toxic burden, live a more connected life, begin an exercise program, and much more. Also, you can look, feel, and perform at your best. I've designed this course to give you the science and data behind the health issues that we are all facing, along with the tools to measure where you're starting from and the techniques and instructions to improve your numbers. Anyone can go from average to high level wellness by learning how to use your body's innate intelligence to adapt and thrive. You don't have to choose between achievement and well being, work and play. With the right support, you can look and feel awesome, live your purpose, and reach your goals. With better health, you'll have greater energy capacity to live, to work, and to handle adversity that comes your way. Let me help you find the confidence, inspiration, and insight that you need to actualize true health. It's time to connect to a deeper well being.